Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Dota 2 crashing on startup. Right, so without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what I suggest to do here is to disable all the peripherals, like controllers, racing wheels, something like that, because sometimes it can cause the problem. So just leave with your mouse and key, disable all the external drives, and then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then also it can happen that if you're using third-party softwares like Revast or DS4 Windows, something along these lines. Also disable all the programs that using basically that you're using on your computer. And then the last thing that I suggest to do here about disabling everything, Discord uses overlay, Steam uses overlay, GeForce Experience uses overlay. So what I suggested to do here is to simply disable all the overlays, because it can cause the problem here as well, right? And after that, we can proceed with other steps. So first of all, make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. So just go to settings, then go to Windows Update, and if there is an update, just install it and restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers. Go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so as well. And after that, then go to Dota 2 on Steam, right click on it, go to properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your files is corrupted and they need to be fixed. Then go to general, then you just need to add few commands here. -hi, and then add minus window, right? And then try to launch the game, and you look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go to install files, browse, go to game, bin, Win64, and look for exe file. And then just press on the blank space here, copy the path, and then go back to search, and then you just need to write virus and threat protection. And virus and threat protection, go to manage settings, go to exclusions, and then we need to wait for a couple of seconds here, add an exclusion folder, and copy, paste the path. And with this, you just need to be on Dota 2 beta. Select folder and leave it here. Then go to Windows Defender Firewall, go allow an app or feature, change settings, allow another app, browse, and then add Dota 2 exe file. If you're getting this error, don't worry, with Windows Defender Firewall, everything is working fine. Then what you need to do here is to go to graphic settings. We need to wait for a couple of seconds here until it loads up, change default settings, make sure this option is enabled. Then scroll down here and make sure Dota 2 is selected as high performance, right? And select this option, don't use optimizations for Windows games. And if you don't see Dota 2 here, press browse, paste the path again, and then add exe file and select high performance. And the last thing that I suggest to do here is to just go to libraries, Dota 2, manage and uninstall the game, and try to reinstall again, and look if the problem persists or not. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.